Stay close, please, Blue. Blue. Hey, Mama. Thank you, Roxy. She's gonna trap you. Do they need water? Blue. Leave it. Really? Thank you. Thank you. I see you too. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, I gotta go help your brother. Are you being sweet too? I'm stuck. Hold on, I gotta help your brother. Oh wait, you don't need my caffeine. Blue? You sure you want to go that way? You're asking for it. Leave her alone, please. You're gonna make the youngster come out for you. I got it. Be right back, Roxy. To the house. To the house. You're okay, Roxy. I got you. Good girl. Thank you. Blue, let's go. Don't tell me no. Don't be so stubborn. Don't tell me no. I know you want your bed. Let's go up here for a minute. You're gonna tell me no again. You're gonna tell me no again. Thank you. Come on. Thank you. Oh, I need to keep stretching. Do they scare you? You need your sunspot? Blue. Even his... Yeah, come on. We'll wait for the sun. Stop telling me no, mister. Thank you, Roxy. Blue. Thank you, Roxy. We're not going in the sun yet. Did you potty? You gonna play with it? You staying at safety? That's good, I got you. We'll come out later. Dad, I want my son. Always remember body placement. Dog, you, potential danger. Blue. We're gonna go inside. Thank you, Roxy. Oh, now you'll come over? Come on. Up. I know you're having fun with this. Come on. You gonna protect your bed? I know you're looking for water. I don't have it. Thank you, Roxy. Thank you. Come on. Inside. Blue. Go. You're a brat. You're so annoying. You're so annoying. You're so annoying. Come on. I got you, Roxy. Let me get my drink. Stubborn. You. Absolutely. No, I'm not. Should we take him for a ride? I got you. It's okay, Roxy. I got you. What do you think? You want to go around? Come here. Thank you. I got you. I promise. Hey, Roxy. I promise. Gentle, please. You okay, Missy? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. No, thank you. No kisses from you. You're too big. You scare me. Thank you, Roxy. Thank you. Thank you. I got you. I got you. Hold on. Thank you. Thanks. No thank you. No thank you. No more kisses. That's scary. Oh, those kisses are scary. Alright, Roxy, you gotta go inside. I gotta get Balloon. I have to go get Balloon. You gonna help me get my other dog? Sorry. Here, go inside. I gotta get Blue. I'll be right back. Blue's obviously over it. All right, I'll be right back. I have to get Blue. Come on. I know that's a better decision to keep walking, but thank you. There's Mama. Oh, good. She went back. Yeah. Thanks. I got you. You are stubborn, huh? All right. We're gonna go back. Get your son. Get the butt. I get the butt. Let's go this way. Blue. Let's go back in, please. He just wants his bed. The horse touched your bed. Now I need to identify where they are. There they are. Sorry, we don't have the water today. Wait, hold on. Blue, stop. Come on, you want it? You didn't want it? You want this? You don't like the shaking thing? That's fair. I know. He's under there. You didn't see him, huh? You coming back? Yeah. You need water now. You need water. And that make you want to come inside? Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Come on. You're not coming in, are you? Yeah, they're still here. Come on. Up, please. Go get your water. Just go get your water. Look, you got a giant booger. Thank you, Roxy. want to be on camera? Ooh. Yeah. Is he scary? I'm sorry. Are you scared? Are you scared? Do you need more? They just need water.